guys, my name is Bill Breaker, and today we have a surprise for you guys. If you haven't seen our other video about the Minecraft, how to open the iron doors, then
this is going to be a surprise to you.
Yeah. Also, check that video out. It's not finished uploading yet, so.
As in the making of this video.
Yeah. It's on 17. So we're gonna show you. Hand it to me. And also joined by Fazbear. Joined by Fazbear.
Dude, you can pick it up. But hold up, not yet. So first, what are we gonna do? Now
we're gonna show you a BB gun.
Oh shoot, what happened to it? Where's the BB?
We're gonna show you a BB gun. We're gonna show
That
you
wasn't funny.
a BB gun. It's amazing.
Okay, you can stop doing that now.
Yep, so the BB gun, sticks, go back. So basically, it's a pistol BB gun. It's not one of them long barrel BB guns. It's a pistol BB gun. Pistol BB gun. Awesomely fun.
Okay, stop it. Seriously.
This is all the editing stuff around here.
No, it's not. It's just the jump set.
Yeah, but we can make our video look cool.
No. Don't.
So
you can pick it up.
Pick what up? Tablet? The BB gun. Yeah. Let me see it. Show it up close. Let me see it. Show it up close.
Check it. Look. Call of Duty reloading. Dude, it's not happening. There we go.
Yeah. So let me see it. Show it up close.
Came with 2 clips.
And this is it.
Go ahead, shoot it. Go ahead.
So it's a pretty nice gun.
And by the way, guys, after this video right here is done uploading on both YouTube and Upload Studio, it's all video for the first time. New series. Thank you.
Come on.
It's mine.
So yeah, goodbye.
That's not it.
Why?
That song.
Oh yeah.
Totally forgot about that.
We're doing that in another video, separate.
Okay.
So goodbye.
Bye.